How to transfer data from Samsung S23 to laptop. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to transfer data from your Samsung Galaxy S23 to your laptop quickly and easily. Whether it's photos, videos, documents or any other files, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to do it. Let's get started. Part 1. Transfer via USB cable. 1. Use the original USB-C cable that came with your Samsung Galaxy S23. Plug your phone into your laptop using the cable. On your phone, you'll see a notification. Tap it and select File Transfer or MTP. Now, on your laptop, open File Explorer. You should see your phone listed as device. Click it to open the internal storage. Go to folders like DCIM for photos and videos, Download or Documents for other files. Then, drag and drop the files you want from your phone to your computer. Part 2. Transfer via Samsung Flow, wireless option. Install Samsung Flow on both your phone via Galaxy Store or App or Play Store and your laptop via Microsoft Store. Open the app on both devices and pair them using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Once connected, tap Send Files on your phone and choose the files you want. They will appear on your laptop instantly. Part 3. Cloud Backup. Open Google Drive on a Drive or Dropbox on your phone. Upload your files to the cloud. On your laptop, just log into the same account and download them. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to transfer data from your Samsung S23 to your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.